Everybody, please put your hands together for my dear friend, Kamakakēhau Fernandez. He's an incredible Olelo Hawaii linguist. He's a walking encyclopedia. I've known him for over 30 years and I just admire all the work that he does. And I want to mahalo him because we used his song for our Mary Monarch competition number last year with Halau Kamuela, and it was an award-winning song. So thank you so much for sharing your mele with us. And I'm a huge fan of Kamakakēhau Fernandez. So I know you guys are excited. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Kamakakēhau Fernandez.
Nai kahala me kalehua e halelehua no ya na kanoi o kanoi no inei e ane ho io ka hiki mai ai ki mai o kou hiki puno me ke aloha 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 Ai aloha no kākou, mahalo ki a kua no ke ʻIolani nei. I'm going to take you all around the islands. Always a pleasure to be able to come in, ho'okani mele, to be able to come and share music for the beautiful Aina, for Ali'i, here on these grounds especially. Mahalo nui tita mele. So good to see you. And all the friends out there, friends and neighbors. Joining me today on stage, how about a round of applause? On upright bass is Nakana Wong. Aloha! And on guitar is Justin Murata. And so it goes without saying, we do Hawaiian music, in case you never know, surprise. But if there's any music that moves you, and you Kamaʻāina the hula mai hina hina e hula mai. Awe. Au hea I hone ole aloha, hoai kananea o nā pua. Au hea I hone ole aloha, hoai kananea o nā pua. Mai hau o sawi palilo, hai pau I ke a kapuani ani. E ia mai hau o sawi palilo, hai kapuani ani. He ani ani wale o hai aloko, o velo ma o nei tapu mai. Ani ani o leo hali o loko no velo ma o le tapu mai. Ho'okani mai. O ka Panini puakea Na vai no oe pakele aku I ka vai o ka Panini puakea Hana ia mai ana ka puanga Hoi kananea o nā pua Haina ia mai ana ka puanga Hoi kananea o nā pua Pauoa Liko ka Lehua mai nei ko pele ko ki I kai ho a kau ho I ka ma ʻIolani ho mai nei ko pele ko I kai ho a kau ho I ka ma Pauoa Liko ka Lehua Pauoa Liko ka Lehua Hey, hey,